Alright, so today we're going to give this wood splitter a try and see how she does. I think she'll do alright. A lot better than doing it by hand.
I don't know how heavy you want to get your acoustic ceiling on your house back in the day. I guess the more you had it. I know they used to have some with glitter. But I've been stressing over what to do. Cause we have repair, and then I'm supposed to come back and put this stuff on it. I can't make myself do that.
What up, buddy? All this right here to split that tree that we cut down a couple months ago. Just been sitting out here in the yard. I got it cleaned up, but the stump's just been sitting out here, so we'll see what happens.
We've talked about covering it in wood, but look, I did the soak it and scrape, and that's what we're doing. We're gonna do this whole huge area. And as quick as it soaks and come off, I don't think it's gonna take us more than 2 days to get this done here. And I'm tickled to death that it's so easy because it's coming out of the rest of the house. That's a major upgrade right there. And that major upgrade cost a few squirts of water and scraping. Yes, we will have to come back and paint it. We're painting anyway. Hello? Yeah. I don't know how many times I could go up and down this ladder today, but let's get this very satisfying job going. This is going to take a while. Oh, yes. Wet it just a little bit more. You won't believe how easy that is, y'all. Woo, it's satisfying. I can't find my big pump squirter. Go figure. I think the more space you have to keep stuff, the harder it is to find it. Wet just a little bit outside of that. I didn't go far with it. I don't want it on me. I got to back up to do that side. Okay, so now I'm going to get that all the way off. I'm not leaving nothing. I'm not going to have to come back for nothing. I'm going to get it all each time. Hopefully I won't have to sand. Oh man, it's thick on the sides. Oh, it's just flat stopping. This is just water, y'all. There we go. That's a nail right there. Amazing! Look at that. I'm so happy. I am so happy. I'm getting hot up there though. With the heater running, I'm fighting the heat up here, y'all. Let's see. I don't guess it's smart to be under it. to work smarter, not harder. I thought about trying to get a trash sack under here to catch it, but no. I don't even know if this is really gonna work. I did one little scrape, but it hadn't soaked long enough. Oh yeah. That's a lot easier on me. It'll just stay. I know they make a tool for this, and it has a pan that catches the debris. But I'm cool with sweeping. It don't bother me. I think I didn't go back far enough. Let's see. But I had it sprayed to the vent. And I had it sprayed over pretty good ways. As far as I could reach, I had it sprayed. Pretty hard on me, y'all. My neck. I can't look up. Maybe I need to get back on the ladder. Oh, although that's hard on me. I don't mean to be complaining, but that's my reality. Woo.
Doesn't really look like I did very much. But I did get a trailer full. I ran out of gas, so I'm hot and tired. So I'm gonna quit for the day. Pick it up another day.
Kevin took this off of that cedar framing, which I want to use those 2x4s to extend the light out. You know, all of that wood right there we can use to build our overhead structure to attach our wood to. All of that come from the old company he worked at, a cabinet. I salvaged a big old long cabinet, and this was one of the shelves inside the cabinet. I'm gonna clean it off and put it up on my cabinets through the holidays, so I've got a good big surface to work on. And I'll put, you know, tablecloths across it. It'll be just fine.
Temporary.
It's temporary, yeah, I'll tape them down. It'll be fine. We'll figure it out. I'm not worried about it. I have an end goal. But I'm glad to have all of that cedar 2x4. That's nice to have to build out. I mean, like I said, upcycle, reuse, man. I saved it. I really saved it too. I had hoped to build a chicken house or a portable tractor, and I wanted to use those pieces that are narrow to put tin on a roof, or I don't know. I saved stuff, and that was one thing I held on to. This little pile of wood here, and some of this though is I've gotten off the deck we tore down, or the playhouse. But this is 1972, and it's it's Canadian wood, isn't it? That they used. Don't know why. All the wood production we have in Arkansas. That thing sure is nasty. I will scrub it good. I'm gonna go get my stuff, and you bring it over here to the end of the carport, and I'll scrub it off. Okay. Ugh. This is dirt you couldn't see. Look at that black. Man. All those 2x4s, we'll wash them off before we bring them in too. Just to get that kind of dirt off of them.
Yeah, just sit up underneath that lean-to.
Well, we stored stuff on these shelves when it was a cabinet in our carport. So they were really dirty. It was really dirty.
Soft, turn the key and cooler on. Push the pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better things